So here we have Tina, who's looking to wake up her eyes. What do you recommend?
So a lot of times patients will come to me and they always ask, what can I do for dark circles? And in some cases, the reality is it's just genetic or anatomical that we have some shadowing under the eyes. And nothing makes you look more tired than dark circles, right? So my joke is get a good concealer. That's what I tell my patients. And you can see here that in just 2 seconds, we've already improved the appearance of her under eye circle. This has a lot of luminance to it, so it's going to make the skin reflect more and decrease the shadowing.
But it also the Maybelline Instant Age Eraser.
Yes.
I love that.
I know.
It looks like an age eraser.
It really does. And they made a really smart move with this one when they formulated it, because a lot of my patients say they don't want to keep touching the product to their skin.
Right.
But this sponge is antimicrobial. So it's actually going to keep bacteria or anything that could be harbored on your product away.
And great.
So it's really safe to use every day. It's not going to harbor bacteria, and it's going to instantly brighten the face.